Greetings, dear ones. Many of your years ago, we spoke of the falling of governments. We explained that old systems would be replaced with new ones. We suggested that you move yourself into these new systems. For those that took action, we congratulate you. You are well positioned for the next phase. The chaos remains in the outer world, but for those with the insider information, we suggest you keep your eyes and ears open for new opportunities. Do not be caught up in the fear that is purposely being put into your environment. You do have a role to play in recognizing and transmuting this negative energy. Most beings resist change. It is a choice. Also tends to produce a lesson that will get the being moving forward. Lessons tend to be learned from the most challenging of situations. We suggest to you that resistance takes much more energy than exploring something new and exciting. It is an excellent time to be creative and to share your creations out in the environment. Actively create positive energy for the love of creation. Do not be concerned about the outcome. It will take care of itself. It is the action of launching the energy that is the most important. Be with and do things that you love, not for an agenda, but for love. Expect that working with these new energies will cause a change in your social circles. As you level up, others with the same energy pattern will appear. Be playful and make enjoyment a priority. It is time to bring this forward. Expect to bring forward skill sets from the past or perhaps even a past life. Do you have a forgotten or hidden talent? It's time to find out. Best to focus here and less on chaos and fear without losing awareness of your surroundings. Grounding is always important. Get outside as much as possible. Remember to breathe deeply and take small energy breaks when working with intense energy. There are challenges ahead, but nothing that you cannot handle with proper energy work. It is why you are here at this time of transition. The old energy will be left behind and the new energy is already being created. Ride the positive wave to the best and highest outcome for humanity. Until we meet again. Thank you for joining us today. If you'd like more information to support this work, please join us at bonevent.com.